Looking for inspiration and guidance to achieve your goals? Steve Jobs, the visionary co-founder of Apple, offers valuable insights through his powerful quotes. In this 12-part series of 3-minute videos, we delve into the meaning behind some of his most impactful quotes. Join us as we explore these quotes and discover how they can inspire and motivate us to live our best lives. In Part 1, we kick off this series by examining Steve Jobs' wise words on greatness. Steve Jobs, the visionary co-founder of Apple, once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." This quote is a powerful reminder that we must have passion and love for what we do if we want to achieve greatness. When we love what we do, we become fully invested in it, and it becomes more than just a job or a task. It becomes a part of who we are, and we are willing to go above and beyond to achieve success. This is the secret to doing great work and achieving excellence. This quote applies to people from all walks of life, from students to entrepreneurs to artists. It's about finding what you love and pursuing it with passion and dedication. For example, if you're a student, this quote encourages you to find a subject that you love and are passionate about. It's about pursuing your interests and talents and using them to achieve success in your academic pursuits. Similarly, in the workplace, this quote reminds us that we should pursue work that we are passionate about. It's about finding a career that aligns with our interests and values, and using our skills and talents to make a meaningful contribution to our industry. In essence, Steve Jobs' quote reminds us that passion and love are essential ingredients for achieving greatness in anything we do. It's about finding our purpose and using it to drive us toward success. So, let us remember this quote and strive to find our passion and purpose in life. Let us pursue what we love and use it to achieve greatness in all aspects of our lives. Because when we love what we do, we can truly do great work. This is the end of the video. Look out for our Part 2 of this 12-part series. Check out our website and YouTube channel for more series. We have Sun Tzu, Bruce Lee, and Albert Einstein. We have a vast library of sales tutorials for you too. If you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. Buy us a coffee to help this channel grow. Take care and have a great day.